Just took in this A-frame 2014 Chalet Aspen. Weighs less than 3,000 pounds. It's even got an AC. Let's go check it out. We're not going to spend too much time on the outside here just because it's so dang windy, but this is a 14 Chalet Aspen. It's an A-frame pop-up camper. You got a little solar panel up there, a couple skylights right there. Up front, we do have a manual tongue jack, a couple propane tanks, a single battery, and some pretty decent storage. As you can see right, oh, and my propane topper. This unit does have an AC unit. You can see it right here. It does also have, so obviously solar, but it's solar ready. 110 receptacles right here. We do have some baby lull tires, 175/80 R13s, and some spider webs. And it looks like these tires are dated 24 of 23. They're practically brand new. Couple outdoor speakers. It's just kind of interesting. You got a rear storage here, water tank, and you can see the water line right there, but that is a little storage. A couple big windows on the little pop-ups, and we got a 6-gallon water heater, potable water fill. There's that ZAMP solar connection, exterior shower, fresh water inlet, exhaust for the fridge, furnace on this side, 30-amp power cord. It's gonna be quick. Let's jump inside. Well, before we jump inside, $2,960 on the GVWR. So like I said, less than 3,000 pounds. One manual step that you can roll in and out. We're gonna get inside really quick and try to shut this door. It's so dang windy. Oh, sorry about all the movement. So right when you walk in, you're greeted with the kitchen. To the right, the front of the trailer, you have your little dinette. That will turn into a sleeper. You just drop the legs down, use the cushions. You got an area for one adult, maybe 2 small kids. Solar controller right there, even more speakers, AC vent right there, power on that side. Currently selling this bad boy for 18 grand. 15 feet 6 inches when it's all said and done. Like I said, 2014 Chalet Aspen. 2 lights in this coach, one there, one on the other side. Curtains on both sides. You also got the little draw curtains too for all these other doors and windows. Now, we'll look at the bed here in a second, but let's look at the kitchen. So kitchen, little baby sink right there. That does fold down and up when you are traveling. 2-burner gas stove top, does have like the little wind cover too. Now this fridge, it's a dorm room fridge. You got fridge right there, fridge right there. Then he does have the little pop down freezer. And you can see behind this, you can see it's a 3-way. 110, 73 for the thermostat. Water pump switch, fridge ventilation. That's actually kind of interesting. Jensen multimedia device and some storage down below. There is also a little bit of storage right when you walk in, right there. Now over here, before the previous owner got a hold of this, it was probably like 2 couches, 2 bench seating areas. You can tell right here, whoever had this thing prior put in a full real residential mattress. So that's why all these cushions are up top. That usually would be your sleeping area, but now it's just an elevated sleeping area. So a little bit different, not as usable. If you want to take full advantage, you would have to take that mattress out, and then you can get that little bit of storage area right there and more usability. Now how this thing drops down, your little triangle frames, they fall forward. Same on the other side. Just release those latches, and then the left and the right side come down, and it lays flat and locks into place. So that's it. I mean, there's only so many angles I could try to get for you guys in here. It's so dang small, but hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll put all my contact info on the screen. You can email me or text me if you do have any of those questions. Go ahead and reach out. But thank you so much for viewing, guys. If you guys are looking at this, hopefully I answered a question for you. It's a little bit different with that bed setup, but hey, like I said, thanks for viewing. Hope you guys have a great day.